Welcome back to another episode of Redline Rehab. You guys, I'm finally doing a modification that all Hellcat owners should do within the first week that they get a Hellcat. They should really replace the tires. Now, when I bought this Hellcat, it already had these tires on it. Normally the Hellcats come with Pirellis. So the previous owner put these Ironman iMove Gen 2 tire. So it is a 275 40/20 tire. I was pricing these out the other day, and you can actually get one of these tires from $125 to $150. So just price wise, you can know it is not a good tire. And in my Hellcat, generally when I stomp on this thing, all it does is spin. So what we are going to do today is we're going to upgrade the tire to these Continental ExtremeContact, the DWS06 PLUS tire with a 315/35/20. So that's going to be quite the upgrade, because the Hellcat, at least this standard one, non-wide body, comes with a 275 tire. Now, as I've been learning more about tires and wheels, some Hellcat owners actually throw a 305 or a 315 on the factory wheel, which is a 9.5-inch wheel. And there's actually a lot of controversy on how much better is that when you look at the contact patch. So what I decided to do, throw the money at this and got some factory replica tires. So this is the part number in case anyone's wondering, but it is a 20/11. So we're going from a 9.5 up to an 11-inch. The offset plus 22, 5/115 is the bolt pattern. Now we've got 11 inches. Where this factory wheel, it's 9.5 inches wide. So we should be getting a lot better contact patch, a lot better tire, a lot better compound rubber on the tire. So hopefully we can actually get some traction now with the car. So I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna see if I can show you guys how bad the traction is. We're gonna get the tire installed, we're gonna go out for another drive, stomp on this thing, and see if it's actually hooking up better. Now, like I was saying, the stock Hellcats, non-wide body, have a 275. Now I'm going up to a 315. That's a lot more tire. And I think you guys are gonna be interested to see too, you know, how much, I don't know, how much are these new tires, new wheels gonna stick out. So I'm just showing you this for reference here. You know, it's tires definitely stick in. So we'll see how much farther out they stick with the new wheel and tire on there. So these pulls I'm gonna be doing with these Ironman tires, like I said, you know, they are garbage. I'm just gonna show you, it's not really a comparison, like look how good these tires are. They're not good, they're garbage. But I'm gonna make sure I'm just in sport mode, which does remove some of the traction control. At least that way we'll get an idea perhaps of just how much better these Continental Extreme tires are and how much more traction I'll be getting. So let's just get this to 40 and then I will just stomp it here. All right, let's see. So I don't know if you can hear it. It's squealing. I could feel that it's spinning a bit. Obviously not a good tire. Let's go do it again. Let's go from here. Whoop, squirmy. It's always so much fun. But yeah, let's get these new tires put on. Hopefully they fit. I'm super excited.
Want to race for titles?
I'd love to race for titles.
Would you?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I just hate to lose.
I guess we'll see.
You know, that's what kind of happens in this car. It just screams. It's always so much fun. Well, here we are. Okay, time to get a new pair of shoes. Just love the sound of that. Perhaps we can get some idea here. So that's what the 275 tire looks like. Maybe we can see a difference. So the Continental Extreme tire, there's a lot of people that review it really well online. There's a lot of other options. These Continental Extreme tires, they were about $300 a tire, and then the factory replica wheel is about $300 a tire. So this is about a $1,200 setup to new wheels and tires on the rear end. Could we do a comparison side by side?
Yeah, we can do that.
Let's do that. So just to give you an idea of them laying down, that's how much more traction. 275 to a 315. Pretty significant. Looks so much better with that tire. All done. Looks amazing. See it now, right? Oh, looks so much more aggressive. Well, let's go try them out. Overpass. This is so loud. All right, back here into sport mode. Let's try them. So much better. So much better. Wow. We gotta do it again. I like them. What I'm curious to know is 40 miles an hour, stomp it. Let's see how much tire spin we get from that. Just a little. Just a little. And it's 62 degrees out too, so obviously the road's really cold right now. What a difference. If you have Pirellis or some other tire, you should really upgrade them and get a wider tire. I'm loving the 315 setup. So awesome. Well, what's really cool too is I'm excited because I am confident I can beat my Neon SRT4 now. Yeah, if you didn't see that video, go check it out. I've got a video of my Neon racing this, and with those Ironman tires, the outcome was not in the favor of the Hellcat. but the Neon SRT4 community sure loved it. I love the JLT intake. You hear it? The Hellcat makes so many great sounds. Well, it's always fun in the Hellcat. Great tire. Now, I do live in Utah, so I do think this is a great tire to have in Utah. I did look at the Nitto, I did look at the Toyo Proxes. Those are gonna be even more aggressive than these from what I understand, but the crazy weather we get here, granted I'm not out in the snow in this thing, but you just never know with Utah weather. So, awesome tire. Hopefully you guys can see. They are, I know I got the sun there at the shade, but they are beefy. And I did order those guards as well that are gonna come out right here and protect this from getting rocks and scratches, but traction is definitely better. They ride great. It's not a huge difference with sound. When I got the Proxes on my SRT4, they were a lot harder tire as far as they didn't have as much give, and you could hear it a lot more, but these are soft, they are comfortable, and they get traction. So great tire, I'm happy. So if you're wondering, this 2018 Charger Hellcat, those factory replica wheels that are a 20/11 with the plus 22 offset, it fits, it does not rub, it's awesome. So I'll keep having fun. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please hit the like, subscribe button, and we'll see you later.